Let's do it.
This is another one in a series of 115 volt MIG welding. Very short video, very simple weld, downhill outside corner joint on 11 gauge steel. I'll list all the settings at the very end. Finding a way to be comfortable so that you can be steady and smooth is key. You want to keep about a 1/2 inch stick out or tighter. Keep that same angle all the way down. I'm going to try to give you the view like you were looking over my shoulder. The puddle has a tendency to run down ahead of you on downhill welds like this, so I'm kind of moving forward a little hitch at a time to try to keep that arc on the front or leading edge of the puddle. There's quite a wide range of wire feed speeds and voltage settings that will work on this joint. I have turned it down a little bit so it slows everything down so I don't have to rush it and fight to stay on the leading edge of that puddle. I'm trying to maintain a consistent stick out, a consistent angle, and barely wrap those corners with weld. As I mentioned, I lowered the wire feed speed down quite a bit from recommended settings to all the way to 149 inches per minute, but that works pretty well for me. Machines are all a little bit different, but the sound of this arc told me that the settings were not too bad.